Bizlink's Digital Skills for Employability and Inclusion project equips people with disabilities and individuals in recovery from mental health conditions. Participants will gain hands-on skills in Google Workspace and cybersecurity awareness.
The Google Workspace and cybersecurity awareness were selected as a focus area because they address both the digital inclusion and safety needs for participants. Key hands-on activity involves participants using Google Slides to create and present a short project to the class, and the goal is to help them apply newly learned Google Workspace skills such as creating and formatting documents, adding images, and the activity reinforces how these tools can apply in both personal and professional contexts.
Beyond personal growth, Digital for Life is also a critical driver of national progress. Through the DFL Fund, Bizlink is able to customize a more inclusive training approach, with a maximum ratio of 12 participants to 2 trainers. Classes will also be conducted in vernacular languages, depending on the trainee's profile, so that language is not a barrier to learning.
This is my first time attending digital skills workshop, and I learned tools just as Google Doc, Google Sheet, and Google Slide.
With these skills, participants will be better equipped to connect effectively with others in the community and to contribute meaningfully in the workplace, strengthening both their social inclusion and employability.
It is very rewarding to see participants progressing through the program. Their growth motivates us as facilitators, especially when we witness their confidence in presenting their projects on Google Slides. Moments like this are evidence of their development, and I feel truly honored to be part of their learning journey.